Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm, and today we will learn that what is the single feed tablet compression machine and what is the double feed tablet compression machine. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and now let's start our video. What is the single feed tablet compression machine? Single feed tablet compression machines are those compression machines where only one tablet is compressed by each punch during one round. Mean when one round is completed, one tablet is compressed by the each punch. And what is a double feed tablet compression machine? Double feed tablet compression machine are those tablet compression machines where two tablets are compressed by one punch in single round. Mean when one round is completed for single feed tablet compression machine, only one tablet is compressed by each punch, and when one round is completed for double feed tablet compression machines, two tablets are compressed by each punch in one round. For easy understanding, how we can understand that our compression machine is single feed or double feed? If our compression machine has only one hopper, it will be single feed, and if our compression machine has two hoppers, it will be the double feed. So how one tablet is compressed in single feed compression machine by each punch during one round, and how two tablets are compressed by each punch in double feed tablet compression machine during single round. To understand, let's take the help of this diagram. For single feed tablet compression machines, we have only one feeding mechanism, mean only one hopper is available, and this single hopper feed the powders or granules to each die, and one tablet is compressed when complete round is completed by each punch. Whereas in double feed tablet compression machines, we have two feeding systems, mean we have two hoppers, and these hoppers feed two feeding systems. Mean in half round the dies are filled by hopper number 1, and from this hopper the powders or granules filled in the dies are compressed, tablet is formed and ejected in the half round, and for the next half round the powders or granules from the hopper number 2 are again filled in the die, the tablet is compressed and ejected from this side, and in this way when complete round is completed by the turret, two tablets are compressed by each punch. Mean one tablet is compressed from this distance to this distance, and other tablet is compressed from this distance to this distance. To understand, let's take the practical example. Suppose that we have a tablet compression machine having 35 stations, mean we have 35 number of punches, and for single feed tablet compression machine, each punch will compress one tablet. So number of tablets produced by 35 punches during one complete round of turret will be the 35 tablets per round. In the same way, we have 35 punches for double feed tablet compression machine, but we have two feeding mechanisms, so two tablets are compressed by each punch during one round. So 35 punches into 2 mean 70 tablets are compressed by the double feed tablet compression machine per round. Now we operate our compression machine at 35 rpm, so the number of tablets produced by the single feed tablet compression machine per minute will be the 1225. In the same way, the number of tablets produced per minute for double feed tablet compression machine will be the 2450 tablets per minute. And for the hourly calculation, mean how many tablets are compressed per hour by a single feed tablet compression machine, we will simply multiply it with 60. So 73,500 tablets per hour will be produced by the single feed tablet compression machine, and 1,47,000 tablets per hour will be produced by the double feed tablet compression machine. So from here you can understand the easy difference that double feed tablet compression machines have high capacity and single feed tablet compression machines have low capacity. Mean we can compress more tablets in less time with double feed tablet compression machine, whereas single feed tablet compression machines take more time to compress our batch. So it was all about tablet compression machine. If you want to learn all about the tablet compression machine, including the stages and mechanism of tablet compression, the link of playlist is given in description. Must watch the complete playlist. So like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.